If I tell you I went to Paris and saw a giant metal tower, and then you go to Paris and describe the exact same metal tower, what does it prove? Proves Paris is real. Proves the tower is a physical object that exists outside our heads. But what if we have an hallucination? Dreams are random. If I dream about pizza and you dream about pizza, that's a coincidence. But there's a chemical, DMT, that breaks that rule. Thousands of people who have never met all report going to the exact same room and meeting the exact same entities. They're called the machine elves, and they're waiting for you. Today, we're not just talking about a drug. We're investigating a crime scene where the suspect is reality itself. Is this a brain glitch? Or did we just find the admin password to the simulation? First, let's clear the air. This isn't some hippie nonsense. The strongest evidence comes from the U.S. government. In the 1990s, Dr. Rick Strassman conducted a DEA-approved clinical study at the University of New Mexico. This was clinical, sterile. Doctors, nurses, heart monitors. Strassman expected his volunteers to see colors, or maybe relive some childhood memories. Standard brain misfires. Instead, over half the volunteers reported interacting with intelligent, independent beings. They didn't say, "I saw a ghost." They said, "I walked into a room and there were entities waiting for me." They described them as guides, helpers, aliens. And the creepiest part? The volunteers said the entities seemed surprised that a human had found the door. It wasn't a dream. It was a visitation.